We're in August 2024, and I'm glad to let you know that we are doing the 300th Generac generator installation today at this beautiful house. And we're going to go through the different steps together today. We're going to see different parts of the job, the location of the generator, transfer switch, and then we are going to do the connections, then we are going to go inside to do the smart management modules. This is a 26 kilowatt generator. The maximum amp that provides to the house is 110 amp, and it's good enough to feed the whole house. We have two sources of heat at this house: electric furnace and fireplace. So we will put a module on the furnace to postpone the furnace if it's overloading the generator. So the rest of the house is going to be 100% functional. We have disconnected the power for we're going to keep it disconnected for about 2-3 hours. So we have organized ourselves to reconnect the power as soon as possible, so that they can go back to their normal life. And they're going to have peace of mind with this size generator. Winter time, as you know, it's always a headache to have a power failure with the extreme cold. This house is going to have a different winter this year comparing to the neighbors. During the power failure, they're going to have peace of mind. So we are going to do the activation now. When we do the activation, the warranty is going to start from the date of activation, and it's going to work automatically. So I'm going to do the activation now. Okay. The warranty is going to start from today, and then we can start it automatically. Otherwise, it's not automatic. We are ready to do the test. On. So the generator is gonna start every 2 weeks.
Yeah.
I can't put it any day, any time. We usually put it at Monday, 10 o'clock. Works for you?
Monday at 10? Yeah, I'm golfing, yeah.
You're golfing? Okay, so
Is it possible to put it Tuesdays at 10?
Exactly. So we put it, as you know, bi-weekly at 10 o'clock Tuesday. Generac reviews, the Prestige